Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video we'll look at how to convert images into PDF inside React.js, and we will be using this open source library which is PDF-LIB, which is a JavaScript library for converting or modifying PDF documents and creating PDF documents. So it's a library, and this is actually the application. We allow the user to simply select a bunch of images. It can be PNG or JPG. So let me select these images. As you select the images, you will see a live preview of all the images that you selected, and then you will see this download PDF button. If you click this button, you will see this PDF file will get downloaded, and all the images that you selected, 5 images, are being converted to PDF document. Each page is taking the full size of the image. So whatever is the size of the image, it is converted to the PDF document. So we will try to build this application from scratch using this library. So now to get started, you do need to create a brand new React.js project. I've already created this, and then you need to install this package npm i PDF-LIB. This is a package, you need to install it by using this npm command. So I've already installed this package. So once you install this, you can start your development server. So I will start building it from scratch. So just create a basic app.jsx file, your functional component. So I will have very basic functional component, app level component. If you refresh, you will see app here, you will see. Now what we need to do, we need to have a simple form where we allow the user to simply select files. So inside this div, we will actually give it a container empty4, and inside this we will have a heading, and we will simply say export images to PDF. And then we will be allowing a simple input field to the user input type file, and we will be accepting only the images. So we will simply give it an attribute here, image slash, and it should be required. And the user can select multiple images, so we will be giving a multiple attribute as well. And we will be binding an on change event handler, so whenever the user selects images, this function will execute handle image upload. A custom function, we do need to declare this function right here at the top. So we can simply say handle image upload, and e parameter will be automatically be passed to this function. So using this event parameter. So if you see, now we have this choose file button where we allow the user to simply select images. So when they select, this function will automatically trigger, and I will make this function as async. Just make this async function, or we don't need the async attribute. So right here we will first of all select the files the user select by using this array from, and then e dot target dot files. So multiple images that the user selects, we actually using this array from, and then we are passing e dot target dot files. So this will get access to all the files the user selects, and then one by one we will create an array here, image URLs, and we will use the map operator. And for each file, what we will do, we will create an URL using create object URL, and we'll pass the file right here. And then we'll simply say set images, and for this we do need a state variable for keep tracking of the how many images the user selects. So images set images, and we will be using the useState hook of React.js. So initial value will be empty array. So we have declared a variable images set images, and we have used the useState hook. Current value will be empty. So here you will be setting this using this hook function, set images and the image URLs. And now we just need to simply show a live preview of all the images the user has selected. And how to show this, after you have this input field, we will actually be having a div. Inside this we will have a curly bracket, and we will simply say if the images exist. In that case we will loop through each image, source, index, and we will show the image like this in the div tag. So you can even install Bootstrap if you want. I've already installed it. So what I can do, I can import the CSS file of Bootstrap. So it is saying that, so if you do need to install Bootstrap, you can npm I bootstrap to give those classes npm. This is actually the module, and it will basically be installed inside your node modules folder. Inside the Bootstrap folder, if you see, we have this Bootstrap dist css and Bootstrap main.css. So what we have is, just start your application. So now if you give Bootstrap classes, you will actually see those classes will be applied. So in this way, now we need to show the images. So for showing the image, we can actually show it in the source tag, and we can give a style attribute. We can give it a class name or Bootstrap, which is image thumbnail. So if you basically select now a bunch of images, you will see this live preview. You will see that one by one. This is, now we need a download button, so that when we click the export to PDF button, so we will here compare if the image's length is greater than 0. In that case, now we need to show, we are simply writing a JSX expression. Now we need to show conditional button. So if the images are selected by the user, then we show this download PDF button, and we will bind a on click listener to this button. So when we click this button, we will execute a function, handle download PDF function. So just we need to define this function at the top, handle download PDF. And just make this a async function, because at the start we will be using await keyword right here. So when we now do this, here we will be using the PDF-LIB library. For this, we do need to import this library at the top. So we will simply say import the PDF document and plus the RGB from PDF-LIB. So we imported this package right here at the top. Now we can use this package to actually export the images to PDF. So we're creating a new PDF document. We'll use the await keyword, and we'll simply say PDF document, and it contains a function of create. It will create a new PDF document, and then we will loop through each image by using the for loop. For let I is equal to 0, I is smaller than image's length, I plus plus. So it will actually loop through for each image the user has selected, and for each image we will simply get access to that image by using this index variable. And then after fetching this image, we need to fetch that image, convert this into bytes, and for this we will use the fetch API. We fetch the image, and then using that promise we can simply convert this into a array buffer using response.array buffer. So first of all, what we are doing, we are actually fetching that image which the user select, converting it to an array buffer using response.array buffer using the fetch API, and storing it in this variable image bytes. Now we need to basically split the extension, whatever is the extension. We will use the split function, and we will use the pop function. So what it will actually doing, it is we are splitting this full path of the image. We are extracting the image extension to get whatever is it a PNG or JPG. So using this, after that we will create a variable PDF image, not in this, sorry. After this, we compare in the if condition that if image type is the PNG, if it's a PNG image, then in that case, this will be embed PNG. So we have two methods, either we can embed PNG or JPG. So if say PNG image, then we will use this method and embed the bytes which is there. And we will also be having a else scenario. If this is a JPG image, in that case, we will use the embed JPG function, which is available inside this library, and simply pass the image bytes. So that's all. And after that, we will set the width and height of the page from this PDF image. So whatever is the width and height of the image, we will scale it using 0.5. You can just change this value as well. 0.5 is more than enough for better scaling, and then we will set the property for the page. We will add in page by using this function add page, and then we will provide the width and the height. So for the width, we take the width of the page will be width plus 20 and height plus 20. Sorry, this is actually not an object. This is, it actually takes a square bracket. So here you provide the width 20 and height as well plus 20, and then we actually draw the image on the page. So for drawing that, we use the function draw image. This is a function which is used to draw this image on the page. So PDF image, and then we provide the coordinates, x coordinate 10, y, you can select it accordingly. So width will be the width and the height. So in this way, we use this method draw image to draw this image on the page, and after that we need to save the PDF. So for saving it, we will use the save method, pdf-doc.save. So it will save this PDF document as now we need to download this as attachment. So for that, we do need to convert this into a blob. So we'll have this blob constructor, and then we'll pass this PDF bytes. And here in the second argument, you need to provide the mem type. For application slash PDF, it's a PDF document mem type. And then now for downloading this as an attachment, we will use the anchor tag. We'll create this element dynamically by using create element. And then we will set the href property again by using URL create object URL and passing it blob. We set the file name, and this file name will be result.pdf, and then we will click this anchor element dynamically by using link.click. So this completes the application, and if you try to open this application now, if you select a bunch of images, you will now see the live preview of these images, and you will see this download PDF button appearing on the bottom of the screen. So if you click this button, nothing happens. Let me see what is the fail to construct block. The object must have a callable iterable property. It happens on line number. Sorry, I forgot to close this. Okay, I made a mistake here. We need to close this blob as well. Pass the PDF bytes, and then you need to. So just make sure that you close this. So now if you see, the PDF file has downloaded and it has actually converted all the images selected to a PDF, each page taking the full image size, whatever is the size, width and height, it actually adapts. And in this way, you can export images to PDF using this open source library in PDF-LIB in React.js. So it's a simple functional component. We have a simple input field where we allow the user to select images and then we convert this into a PDF document. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains free tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.